Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Expensify from automatically submitting reports. If Expensify is closing and submitting expense reports on a schedule, switching that behavior to manual gives you full control over exactly when reports go in. This is especially helpful during month-end close when you're waiting on receipts or anytime you want to review expenses before they're sent for approval or reimbursement. Start by opening your browser and going to the new Expensify homepage. Once you're on the home screen, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Workspaces. This is where all of your shared policies and settings live, and it's the place to manage how reports are created and submitted for your team. Next, select the workspace you want to change. Pick the one where reports are currently being auto-submitted. You'll need to be an admin or have permission to edit that workspace's settings. If you manage more than one workspace, you can repeat these exact steps for each one that should stop auto-submitting. Inside the workspace, go to the Workflows tab. Workflows control the key automation layers in Expensify, things like how reports are generated, when they're submitted, and what the approval path looks like. This is the hub for turning off automatic submission. Find the setting labeled Frequency. It may be under an auto-reporting section. Click Frequency to open the options, and then choose Manually. Your selection is saved automatically. From this point forward, Expensify will no longer auto-submit reports on a schedule. Instead, you or your employees will press Submit when a report is complete and ready to move forward. A few quick notes on what changes and what doesn't. Existing open reports won't be auto-submitted anymore. They'll simply stay open until someone submits them. Any reports that were already submitted remain as they are. This update only affects future behavior. The setting applies across that workspace, including for users on the mobile app. If teammates were used to automatic submissions, it's a good idea to let them know they'll now need to submit manually. If you don't see Workspaces or the Workflows tab, double-check that you're signed in with the right account and have the proper role in that workspace. Also, make sure you're editing the correct workspace if you have more than one. That's it. Go to New Expensify, open Workspaces, select your workspace, head into Workflows, open Frequency, and set it to Manually. You now have complete control over when reports are submitted. Thanks for watching, and happy expensing.